Oh, just making a very smart time. Follow instruction. Let's have a breakfast. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. So today, another day. So, andito pa rin tayo. So, yung ganda ng view sa likod, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Nasa toilet tayo. So, I will show you guys. So, another bed. You can see the veranda. You can see the veranda. You can see me. And this is the another room. So never mind our color. So a nice bedroom. So drawer doon. And a nice chair. Table, and you can see the farm, guys, outside. So how cool is that? And this is Rosie. Hello, Rosie. You're up now. Hi. Hello. Oh, very friendly, Rosie. Very friendly, Rosie. You're checking on me. You hop into the bed. Hop in the bed. Hi. You're going. You're going outside. And this is the toilet, guys. That's the shower there. And the toilet. And you can see the view outside, guys. Look. Wow, amazing. My friend Rosie. Look. Yeah, it's more.
Industrial.
It's very, very beautiful. Baby.
No, like this.
No?
So,
Yes? You gonna come with us? Hey?
But it's easy to.
It's very friendly, guys. No? Is it to wear something like this?
Change?
No, I'm okay like this. Baby sheep, guys. Bobby!
Let's watch it.
I think that's what's his name.
See, look at Rosie, look. See, look at the way the ears flatten out. See the ears flatten out?
Oh.
Bob.
Bob. Oh, there's she.
Bobby.
So beautiful. Hello. Oh, very soft. Oh, look at Rosie. Rosie, I'm here.
Jealous.
I'm here. What did you do?
You smell the smell
Oh, I think he's hungry.
You know what that is, don't you?
Oh, look at that.
It's good to have an animal that's tame, isn't it?
Yeah.
Try again.
I just can put that straight away like that.
Yeah, when you put in the
Come on.
Here. Bobby. Here.
We're feeding the baby sheep, guys. It's so cute. You're gonna drink some water. So what did you do? This is like, you said you do it please. Oh, so cute. Okay, I'm back. Look, he woke up. Come on, Baba, come back.
Bobby. Bob.
Baba, come back. Guys, so nindot jud kaayo jud no, na farm.
Died during the drought.
Diri ta puyo sa farm. Han kay nindot jud mga loves the animals. Yeah, nice. What's the name of this?
Cape weed.
Keep with. Oh, but the color pretty, yellow.
Yeah. What you want? Stuff like that.
Look, the roses, guys. White roses in the garden. So look, this is the place. There's a big trees and yun ang mansion, guys. Nandyan. So ang dami-dami talaga. So this is beautiful. Then the owner. Because the weather here and then the trees. What's the name of this tree? This one, the big one.
It's some sort of pine.
Pine tree. And how old? It's like,
It'll be 100 years old.
wow, it's 100 years old. So nice. It's really, really big. Look. How many people can do that? Di magako so kadako. Perting dako Gardens, guys, near the house. So wow, amazing. And the owner doon. So flowers there sa my front yard. Look, the pretty flower roses, pink.
She would plug in and say,
And there's a chair.
connect you to the bed. And she had these plugs, where they, so she used to work in there.
Beautiful flowers. Rosie, good morning. Just coming to you.
It's alright. Take the photo down.
Where are we gonna stay there? See, it's not. Yesterday it's really bent.
Now it's not.
Oh,
Yeah.
yesterday, so now it's really good. Oh, it's 2 years old today. 2 days. So what's the noise they're saying that?
Feed me.
I'm hungry? That's the word say, I'm hungry.
No. Feed me. Or they say, who's that stranger
With you. Oh, see her. Maybe she's scared. Gorgeous.
He wasn't interested, and he was very tired, I think.
Really good. Oh, that's the baby.
like locking?
A little bit, move backward a little bit. Minta siya siyang daddy. Oh, not there.
Locking, Harry.
The baby, guys, nangita sa iyang tutoy. Wala pa siya kita kay bata fertilizers, guys. Yung tai sa nice experience, good. Thank you, Ann, for dala-dala me here. Para lang life ko before, guys, na nasa farm, pero mga kabaw lang daghan dito diri, mga baka, mga sheep. Wow, very relaxing. Makalimutan natin yung mga iniisip natin. So there's a baby cow there na bago lang panganak kahapon lang, 2 years old at 2 days old today. Did poop, guys. Poop. Oh, food is coming. An? sheep. Mm. Hey? Oh no.
You say now last time I come here only the plant, that tree, only small.
Growing perfectly.
This is what I put the little lambs in. You slide them down.
Ah, really?
Puts their legs, separates their legs for you, and then you
Feed them.
put the wings
Oh, rings to make the. Rosie got a big place to run. Hello, there you are. Oh. I think there's a snake here too. Oh.
That's what makes them blow up with gas.
Oh.
But it's drying out now,
Yeah.
so it's a lot safer now.
Oh, okay.
When they eat too much of this, they
The land, acres.
Harry, how many acres there?
100 acres. Wow.
almost 20 of them.
20.
Behind the shed, I've got a pump, so I pump all the water. So the house goes to that green tank,
Mm.
and then goes down to the second green tank, and they both go to there's a concrete tank behind the shed, and I've got a pump there. I pump all the way through, and that then goes to the house. So all the water from the house when you turn the bath on.
So, wow. Amazing. Oh, this is the one.
They give that I think so. It's like he's leaving a scent.
Bull. Oh, okay. 3 rams and 1 bull. So how fast she can run? Video. Yeah, I can smell it. It's eating. She run really fast. It's okay, namadagan ah. Where are you going? Maybe. Yeah. Rosie, what you been doing? Oh, look at that! It's like they're scared with Rosie. They're scared with the dog. Oh. So cute. Oh, so how old?
These two on the right are about two.
2 years old.
See the horns?
Yeah.
I had to trim them because they were growing into his eye.
Oh. It's alright. Rosie will stay here with me. Oh, what's the name of the feed, Harry?
Sorry.
What's the name of the feed, you know? That's
the hay.
The hay, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
The ram on the left is named Friday.
Oh, Friday.
Yeah.
Why is he born on Friday?
You know, these other pair haven't got a name.
Oh.
But, Kilos.
Oh, wow.
He's a big boy.
Mm. Big trees. Yes,
He's quite good.
meet my friend Rosie.
He goes out, you know. Go and clean this top out.
It's really good. No, it's still okay with them. Ano nga, we're new ba?
Yeah.
They're friendly because we see that we're new and they're just okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think I told you the lady down the road, the shearer won't come and do her ram. He's too dangerous, you know.
Oh.
So it's good, and that's why I'm taming that bloke down, because you know he's going to be easier to handle, you know.
Mm.
So that's why it's gone ballistic, because I haven't got enough cows. But yeah, once I get rid of Mariah and I can, and I think coming out of the drought too, people, you know, like they didn't carry as much stock, because then you've got to feed them, you know. Whereas this year we've had so much rain. And
because last time I come here, it's not like this. Dry.
So how to maintain this one, Ami?
Yeah. It's not easy.
so they're majestic. They're just soaring, you know, just.
Yeah.
Mm. Very beautiful. A spectacular view. Oh no, oh my god, I got